In this video, I'm going to cover the pros and the cons of getting clients on Upwork, why you may not be getting clients on Upwork, and how to get more clients on Upwork. First, the pros and cons of getting clients on Upwork. The positives: of course, people on Upwork are coming specifically to find people to hire. And that's great if you're a freelancer or your agency looking for more clients. It's a great site. It's reputable. People know it. So it's really good to have a presence on there especially if you're unsure how to get started making money online and you have a skill that you want to monetize. Upwork can be a great place to get started in that way. Conversely, and understandably, Upwork does take a percentage, which can kind of feel like a negative, but again, they are providing the marketing, so it's understandable that they take a cut. That percentage can vary, and if you want to learn more about that, make sure you watch my video where I talk about the percentage that Upwork takes. Also, there are a lot of people on Upwork, so it can be very difficult to stand out. One way to do that is making sure that you have a good profile. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure you check out my cheat sheet on how to have an undeniably good Upwork profile. You can find a link for that in the description below. I have heard often from clients and potential clients that I have a really good profile on Upwork that stands out. And because of that, I get lots of inbound invitations every single day. So if you want to learn how you can get a good profile that stands out as well, make sure you grab that cheat sheet in the description below. Next, why you may not be getting clients on Upwork. As mentioned, you really need to set yourself up for success. So on this channel, we really cover in detail a lot of personal development, success tools, tips and tricks specifically for social media, and we go over Upwork. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can continue to build in that way. But having a good profile, if you don't have that, because there's so many people on Upwork, it can be harder to stand out, and that's one reason that you may not be getting a lot of jobs. Another thing is your cover letter or lack thereof, or how often you are submitting to jobs, also play a role in if you're actually getting jobs or opportunity for jobs. So that's something to consider. So let's just hop right into it. How to get more jobs on Upwork. We've covered this in detail, so I won't keep talking about it, but obviously having a good profile, super, super important. But also submitting to jobs consistently and tracking your results over time. There is a method to do this. It's not my own, so I'm not going to go into it here. But there is a way to track your results that you're getting and to have a conversion rate to see how successful you are and really break it down each step, from your profile to your cover letter to the meetings you're getting with clients, to see how well you're doing each step of the way. I actually learned how to do this in a mastermind group I'm a part of with Bradley Riley called Entrepreneur Mastermind. It is well worth the investment, and I feel like was a very small investment compared to the 5 figures that I've made on Upwork using this strategy. So if you want to check that out, make sure you check out the description in the link below. I'm here every day with social media tips, tools, and tricks, personal development, and mindset stuff. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow.